Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically delete a profile on Netflix. So to do that, you are going to go up here to your profile page and you're going to select manage profiles. You cannot, however, delete like your main profile. You can just like edit it. So under manage profiles, you're going to select the other profile that you want to delete. Press the like pencil button. Scroll down and then select delete profile, and once you're done, you're going to press save. I'm not going to delete it though, but that is it for this video. That's how you can delete profiles on Netflix. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.